What if I told you one trailer from 1947 has more windows, more attitude, and more style than half the condos being built today? And yes, it still turns heads like it's late for a Hollywood premiere. Ladies and gentlemen, when I first stepped up to this 1947 Westcraft Sequoia, I felt like I just opened a time capsule built by someone who believed luxury meant wood, aluminum, and enough windows to let your neighbors judge your life choices. I think my buddy Timmy would have fainted on the spot. He still thinks a modern upgrade is replacing a fuse without calling his cousin. Before we dive any deeper, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more legendary rigs that make you say, "They built what in the 40s?" It keeps the channel alive and keeps me from trying to restore something with duct tape again. Now, this Sequoia stretches a full 28 feet, 8.5 meters, rides on dual axles with refreshed semi-elliptical springs, and rolls on dark blue refinished wheels, wrapped in 225/75 R15 Load Range E National Road Max tires. I believe what I liked the most is how the clerestory roof, 10 windows total, makes it feel like a rolling art-deco greenhouse. The exterior was stripped to bare aluminum and repainted in blue, dark blue, and silver between 2021 to 2024 by Above and Beyond Customs in Indiana. A custom rear bumper, hitch receiver, and a front tongue platform housing dual 40-pound propane tanks and the mini split condenser finish the job like jewelry on wheels. Inside? Oh boy, they rebuilt everything with spray foam insulation, new wiring, LVF flooring, and pecan-stained birch panels under 5 coats of clear. The cabinetry was recreated using the original templates, and I think the craftsmanship alone could make a carpenter tear up a little. The lounge features a refurbished 1947 sleeper couch wrapped in red Relicate distressed leather, plus matching chairs by a pull-out table. A Mitsubishi mini-split takes care of cooling, and Buster Plus punch switches add that retro but rich vibe Ron calls unnecessary, but I want it. The kitchen packs mirrored stainless steel countertops, a Kraus sink with an InSinkerator hot water dispenser, a Smeg fridge, Bertazzoni 4-burner gas-electric range, and every Smeg gadget known to mankind. Plumbing is updated, though the trailer doesn't include water-holding tanks. In back, the custom bed with contoured memory foam mattress makes the space feel like a 1940s luxury hotel room on wheels. This restored beauty sold recently for about $20,750, around 19,300 euros, which I believe is shockingly reasonable for a rolling masterpiece. And hey, if you want to support the channel for just $1, one single heroic dollar, the sponsorship link is under the video.